Today's video, we're at the shop getting our rice de-skinned or milled. So here's the machinery that does it. That's when the bags come in, they look like that. When they come out, they look like that. Because all the rice has got to have the skin taken off it. That's the rice going in, and that is the rice coming out. And that stuff there, we actually, I think they mill our rice for free, but they keep the powder and the shell, the skin, and they sell that back to you. So we feed our chickens with that, so we actually buy some back. I'll see. There you go. Just a little backyard rice processing factory. Right, so it's the next day, and that's our bags. Come back, the bags of rice that we dropped in to get the skins taken off. I'd estimate them now to be about 15 kilos each. As at the start they were apparently 30 kilos each, so you lose about half of the skin. So there you go. That is the end of this informative video, which tells you all about de-skinning of rice. You're welcome. Just do some random video stuff.